New South Wales adventures.
Woo! Where we going?
Binghi Station.
Going to some bushwalks. I feel like we just shortcutted through someone's property. But that's where maps took us, so thanks maps.
In the middle of nowhere.
Yeah. This is hard work and I'm just a passenger. Oh my god, what is mud?
Peaceful though. Welcome to Binghi Station. We got in here just as the sun was going down last night, and probably lucky because it was the real kind of first test of forward driving with the van. We figured out very quickly that it was pretty capable, but it was a little bit sketchy. It was a tough enough track to get in here. It's definitely a four-wheel drive only track. Set up just as the sun was going down, and now we are off to explore. You see it? See the goat?
There's goat?
Yep.
Where? Oh wow, that's what smells.
Look at the horns, honey.
It's pretty.
I know, that's what I was just looking at.
They don't feel real too, they're so soft.
Just saying, all the rocks look like they've been painted on.
We're raiding the rocks.
It's a nice rock.
Oh, you want me to get it? Sure. Cold in there, baby.
Not warm.
I think these are actually your jumping rocks that you can jump from. We're here in May. It's a touch chilly. Oh no, it looks like he's got adrenaline. He might go and do it. That's pretty wild. It's just like this hole, which you can see is not very big. All the water's just kind of trickling into it. And it must just drop off, like it must just be like a rock cliff down there. Pretty sick. Yeah! Okay, we've stepped up another notch. He's got a bit of adrenaline. Not feeling the cold anymore. He's on top of the rock now. Damn. Turning it into a waterfall. How's that?
That's fun.
Yeah?
Yeah.
How tall you reckon that one is?
I don't know. Maybe like 7 or 8 maybe?
Yeah? Off your feel for jumping over rocks?
Yeah.
Is that what we're going off?
Yeah, that's the vibe.
Oh yeah. With your legs hanging off in the water. Perfect. Don't remember the book. Right now it's too sunny. How cool is this? Just imagine you're spending the day here with your mates, you got the music blaring, couple of babies. Bloody perfect. Sound like a true Aussie, eh?
So we've just come back from Jumping Rock. It was pretty bloody good. It's heaps of fun. Found a couple rocks to jump off. Weren't too sure about the depth to begin with, but it's all safe and pretty fun, and we decided we're gonna go for a quick run before we have lunch. So we're on the road to a 50-kilometre run and a sub 20-minute 5k. 5k in, feeling good.
Yeah.
Just cruising. It's a nice like up and down hill of about a mile. Cheeky 13 in the bank.
Yeah. Very hungry and very thirsty now.
Yeah, underfueled,
Yeah.
underprepared. So, lunchtime now.
Yep.
Get some food. Then we'll head down to Sandy Creek Falls.
Yeah.
Let's go. Nice. You can see the line
Like
where
milk.
all the, obviously from the sand and the sandstone, is getting filtered and rubbed off. And that's why all the water's so murky.
How's that? Cold?
I can't even see.
Was it refreshing?
Yeah, nice. Like nature's massage. Oh yeah.
So nice.
So good. We just spent the last hour
Cruising around.
jumping around. What is it
Sandy
called?
Falls?
Sandy Falls, yeah. And it is beautiful. Very nice.
Yep. We just met the owner too. He's a lovely man. He's got lots of good plans he said for the place.
Yeah.
And it's done a really good song. But,
Amazing job. So definitely couldn't recommend any more. Come down and check it out. Private spots like this. Amazing. Even in the winter months.
It's so beautiful. Like it's still cold now. Like we don't really know where it's from. But just having this place to yourself was so cool, which would be more common in the winter. I feel like too. So they've also got this super cute little area. It's got this little bathtub which you can heat up through fire. Nice.
Nice soul shower. It's not super warm, but it's nice.
So cute.
Oh.
All on my one. Oh my god, there's another one.
Here's a
You're
try.
timid. Not like you, silly.
So that concludes our 2-night stay at Binghi Station, and what a stay it was.
Yeah, it's really beautiful here.
It's been amazing. So we stayed at the Shearers campgrounds, or Shearers Sheds campgrounds. Probably the best bet if you've got a caravan, as for flat spots and ease of access, the gorge and the jump hole.
Oh yeah, jump rock and then the waterfall. We're in the
Yeah.
centre of it all.
Yeah, so you kind of smack bang in the middle, and it's been quiet, peaceful. He's got all these little campfires kind of placed around the place, which are amazing, as well as there's 2 toilets, one up there, plus a little solar shower that he's done up there. So Adrian, the owner, he's absolute legend.
Yeah.
He's putting in a lot of work here, and
And it's all these small little things, like he's got all hand washers in the showers and like soaps to be used and like stuff like that. Like everything's just very thought out, and little signs everywhere.
but
It's very cute.
it's been amazing. I definitely would recommend.
Yeah, 100% would recommend.
Spend a couple of days here
Easily.
very easily.
Very nice
So,
weekend getaway or something if you've only got a couple of days.
Get out of here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what we got going on here?
Our van's a little bit heavy, so we come a little bit unstuck on a hill. So we are winching up. It's not even too bad, but we've only got to get past a 10-meter section here, and we should be alright. But
Just requiring a little bit of assistance.
yeah, bit too heavy.
So you can see that the way in is very 4-wheel drive heavy. You'd be fine with just a car, but pulling our big ass trailer, our camper van, is definitely putting in the work. And some of the hills already, like before having to do this, some of the hills have been pretty challenging. I think all the recent rain, from what we've read, has made the track a little bit harder to do. It's even hard to walk on, apparently. Ow, I'm dead. Alright, let's go. Come on, pull us. Yeah. Oh. She's a heavy girl.
chaotic. A couple of sketchy little spots, so we're almost out. I think we've got another 3 k's to go before we get out of here, but a bit of winching and we should be home and home. Lemon sour.
Slow work getting out of here and in here. Yeah. We're backing up the winch. Hopefully we won't need it again. Hopefully no more stacks. No scratch. Alright, I think we're nearly out. No thank you! We made it!
Finally.
Thanks Binghi Station!